Avery, what are we doing?
We're playing musical chairs.
All right, everybody listen carefully.
Let's take turns and rhyme together. The rhyming song. The rhyming song. The rhyming song.
Listen carefully.
Okay, I want to watch a movie.
We're playing musical chairs.
I want to watch a movie.
Listen carefully.
A movie too.
Listen.
The rhyming song. The rhyming
What do we do when the music plays?
Walk around.
Walk around, Nora.
Right there.
Listen carefully. Nora, find your chair. There it is.
Hey, Mommy, how about we can watch a movie as we play?
Maybe we can do that, but let's finish playing our musical chairs game. Listen carefully.
The rhyming song. Let's all jump up and down and wave a rhyme and get up the stand. The rhyming song. The rhyming song. What are you doing? Sorry, you know it. Get up the stand. Give me your arm. Stop rhyming.
Yay! Good musical chairs game.
Okay, now it's time to watch a movie.